Welcome back to our channel, The Child. Today I am going to talk about cards and counters material. It's an arithmetic material. For this we need just 10 cards and the numbers are written from 1 to 10, and you need shells of 55 numbers. We will introduce this material after spindle boxes, which I have given in a different video in our channel. So using spindle boxes, the child should be able to associate the quantity with this symbol. This material helps us to conform to us, and also to the child can conform to himself that the child understood to associate the quantities with symbols, right? For this, what you need to do, first you have to show the child how to arrange the cards. Okay, for initially you can have the cards in a stack, arranged in a stack, and ask what is this. Then the child will say 1, and you can ask what comes after 1. Okay, please listen to the instruction. First you ask what is this. The child will say 1, and after this you ask what comes after 1. Then the child will say 2. Okay, and ask the child to arrange. Okay, I'm reinforcing it again. Ask the child to arrange. Okay, and also ask the child to leave little gap in between the cards. Right now, the main presentation goes like this. Ask the child, what is this? The child will say 1. Then you can say, we can keep one counter under 1. Then ask what is this. Then tell the child to keep 2 counters, 1, 2. 2 counters under 2. Okay, and the activity goes on like this. So as the child is not here, I am arranging it to show you. So we need 55 shells, and it need not be shells. You can have green peas or whatever available at home. Because in traditional school, straight away they show symbols, right? And also number songs. And we assume that the child understood the concept of unit, and we understood that, we assume that the child understood the concept of counting. Okay, here the child can visualize, count, and realize the concept of counting. As I tell you in all the videos, their senses are working in an optimal way. They love to touch and feel any material. So they love to touch these shells especially. Just to make sure that whenever the child is handling small materials, make sure there is adult supervision, which is very, very important. So it's more like a child activity, okay? So let the child repeat as many times as possible. A strong foundation in numbers helps them in a long way. Yes, so when the foundation is strong, they'll find it very easy when it comes to mathematics. So this is all about cards and counters. So the direct aim of this material is nothing but it helps the child and also to us. Okay, it conforms to us that he or she has acquired the knowledge regarding quantities and their symbols, and also they understood the succession in arranging from 1 to 10. Okay, this is even more important. Okay, so the first one is associating with quantities and symbols. The second one, it also helps the child or reinforces to the child about the succession 1 to 10 in succession. So as I have already told, quantities are of two types. The first one is quantity of variables. Those materials, they look very similar, which I have shown in a different video. It's called number rods. So these quantity of variables also, they look similar but vary in size. Here these are quantity of groups. They look very similar but loose materials. Okay, but quantity of variables, it is a fixed material. So quantities are of two types. Number one, quantity of variables. They are fixed materials. They look similar but vary in size. But here the quantities, they look very much similar and they are loose materials. So the whole purpose of this material, it confirms to us that the child understood the succession from 1 to 10, and also the child has already associated associating quantities with that symbol. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope it is very useful to you. Please share with your friends and family. Thank you.